How to fix Forza Horizon, FH5 installation error code 0x00000001 on Windows 11 10s. To fix Forza Horizon, FH5 installation error code 0x00000001 try, 1. Download and install KB5004476. 2. Install Xbox Identity Provider and Gaming Services via Microsoft Store. 3. Repair 2 apps, Gaming Services and App Installer. 4. Z command. 5. Reset Xbox app and Microsoft Store. 6. Run Windows Store Troubleshooter. 7. Run getapps package allows for each adapps package disable development mode register $__install location \appxmanifest.xml command in PowerShell as admin. 8. Enable TLS 1.0, TLS 1.1, TLS 1.2, TLS 1.3 in initl.cpl. 9. Run 2 commands as admin, sfc/scandodism/online/cleanup image/restore health.